One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this glove box right here. If you were to look right underneath, you're going to see 4 mounting bolts. I'm going to remove those. Grab your glove box, be careful because it might want to fall down. Grab those sides, pull it right out. We have the glove box off. You have a clear view of what's going on. I'm just going to grab this little tab, give it a little tug, and then pull down on this. If it doesn't want to come out, I'm just going to grab my pocket screwdriver, but this looks like it should come out. There it is. Check your connection, make sure it looks good. This one does. You're going to see you have some mounting bolts here. 1, 2, 3. Those are 8 millimeters. Okay, this is what's holding up the blower motor. Let's pull this down and get it out of here. All right, so while we're under here, pay attention to this spot right here. There's a spot under the dash that you need to match that up with. And it's located right up against the firewall in the corner there. Just gonna slide this up. I'm gonna start in all these mounting bolts. I've got them all started. Okay, all 3 of these are bottomed out. We're just gonna go a teeny bit further. These are only screwing into plastic, so you don't wanna go too tight with these. Grab that electrical connector, click it in, give it a tug. Perfect. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let's get our glove box back in here. Start with one side, put it the other side. I'm just gonna latch it in. That's gonna hold it for me. Now we can come like this. We're gonna screw in all of our mounting screws down along here. Snug them up.